In front of me is OnePlus Pad 2, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app. Then tap on Allow in the pop-up. Use this gear at the top to adjust all of those options, and when you're ready, start recording thanks to this red button. Then select while using the app and allow. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same red button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one, and to add a photo mark on the right one. You can switch your camera over here if you want to. Take a pic. To discard it, select X, and to add it, tap on the check mark. Now to end and save your recording, use Save at the top right corner, and to discard it, Cancel at the top left one. Then name it, hit Save, and tap on it on the list to select it and play it. As you can see, if you want to edit it, use all of those options at the bottom. To get rid of it, you need to hold it. Select Delete at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!